Yup, I'm back at that mall. But look, no. Alright, before I get into the video, man, make sure y'all get the liking, comment, and sharing, and subscribing. And make sure you turn on that post notification bell right there, that corner down there next to subscribe. You feel me? You already know it's your boy Mel. I'm back at it, man. Big slap, but getting on to the video today, man. So today, turn on light. So today, I'm gonna show the box. If you know what this is, you already know what time it is. You can tell by the title below. You feel me? It's gonna be the part 1 of it. You feel me? It's gonna be the first half of it, because today we're gonna be swapping out my PCM and everything else. So I'm finna go up into the shop with SRT Stay. You feel me? And get the process of swapping out my PCM and shipping it off. And I should get it back around it's about Tuesday. We get about Tuesday, Wednesday. You feel me? So give me y'all a heads up. I'm finna unlock the beast, you feel me? I'm finna get all the power I want out of it. So stay locked in with your boy. You already know who it is. It's your boy Mel. And I'm gone. Yerp. Yes, sir. Get bait. Bait finna get on the lock. You feel me? They get it.
Why? Because what's been going on though?
What been going on, cuz?
Hot boys.
Oh yeah, I feel you.
Mine coming Monday.
Boy, they been looking
Oh, you
good.
dropping Monday?
Yeah, drop
If you drop Monday, I'll drop
Monday.
If you drop Monday, I'll drop Tuesday.
Cap.
Yeah.
Stop the cap.
Did I drop those?
No.
No.
I swear.
When you said you was gonna drop, oh God, you didn't.
Oh God, I dropped that day because you making them hold up. I said, boy,
Yeah,
no.
you held up and I dropped.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't. You dropped Monday, bro. You were supposed to drop Sunday.
No, bro.
You supposed to drop Sunday,
I
bro.
dropped like that Wednesday though. But you ain't dropped till later. Like,
I was like, he dropped. Stage dropped after me. I dropped Tuesday.
Bro, I dropped before you. Remember you waiting on me.
I was gonna be the first one to drop. Came up was gonna go next, then it was gonna be you. But you were like, no, I ain't dropped none at all. So
Yeah, and you remember and you let me drop.
and you still didn't drop. Oh God, you didn't.
He retired, y'all. Don't worry about him, man.
Coming soon, man. Give me about a week.
2 months. Too sexy for my shirt.
I answered your shit. You y'all niggas, bro. Real talk. Look, I answered your shit. Since I ain't got a scat no more, niggas don't fuck with it.
JB in the cut. Anthony the cut for real. The fastest, huh? Quay.
ISIS.
The promoter.
Slaughter gang, check out my neck, bro.
Yo, how much it cost? How much it cost, cuz?
Band each chain.
Oh, my bad. It's gonna be a plenty of stressing, but we on hook the negative, I believe. Hey, y'all correct me in the comments, but let me know. But you had to unhook the battery before you get the mess with everything, you feel me? So right now, we gotta get a pry tool out. Then I'm gonna turn it back on the camera when we get to taking everything out. We got all the other tools we need, you feel me? I gotta get some more work on my motor, you feel me? But other than that, turn the back on later. Side is on loose. On loose side, I say about 4 or 5, and one on the side I broke down. I can't lie to you. So the PCM right here, you feel me? So probably ain't better to get it with just one hand. So you gotta take unlock this hatch right here, and it's another one. It should be color coded, so if you messing around with it, just know you ain't gonna. It's common sense, for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know your color. That's about it. Other than that, I'm gonna take it off. Now I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you see what I pulled it out. Now, hooking it, it should be some bolts right here. I think it's gonna be 10. Let me see. Yeah, 10 millimeter bolt. Told him not to do that. But so right here, that's when you unhook the latches. Should be loose when you unhook them two latches right here. So should be straight. Easy process. But I'm sweating, can't lie to you. Y'all, some of y'all YouTube folk be lying, bro. I don't be lying, so I ain't gonna cap it down, y'all. This be right here. This be tougher than goddamn Joe Frazier, bro. God damn, Joe Foreman. Other one came out quick. But they be right here giving me problems, you know what I mean? We over there be struggling. You already know when to cut. You ain't swole. but we scraggly, you feel me? But we almost there. Hopefully.
I hope so.
So this is the next day. I said I got different fit on my work today, so I got time to send everything off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the PCM, you feel me? What it's looking like. And let me tell y'all. But taking that thing out, it was supposed to be easy. I said not tripping. Supposed to be easy. But we didn't put enough pressure down on the one of the ports. You feel me, to get it out the one I showed y'all at 19, you feel me? But we got it off, you feel me? But today I'm finna be sending it off through UPS and running my errands basically, you know what I'm saying, getting a lot done on this off day. Then hopefully be back no later than Tuesday, since UPS running today on Veterans Day, you feel me? So that's what we got in store today, you feel me? Right now, let me show y'all. You already know I always change up wheels. So we go to Bay right here, you feel me? Bay there chilling in the cut. But I'm on Big Daddy today, you feel me? So y'all just stay locked in with me, you feel me? On this journey. We get it done. And let me turn the camera off before I get copyrighted. I'll holler at you. Yeah, so, hey, I be peeping folks who, you know what I'm saying, who be supporting, you know what I'm saying? Like hometown, really talking to my hometown people. Like, I ain't talking to worldwide people. But hometown people, I really appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? I really show them love. I like that, you feel me? Can't cap to you, you know what I'm saying? Get out. What up, Dad? Alright, so PCM is here, but like I said, I be at work. So now, let me show y'all, show my crib. Y'all be nosy, folks, bro. Shit. But PCM is here. But with UPS, if you ain't here to sign it, they won't drop it off. You feel me? So just in case somebody else try to do this, make sure you be there when the PCM is time to get dropped off by UPS. You feel me? Make sure you there at the crib. Then so for now, the next process is gonna be me. Time of day. It's about to be 5 o'clock, so I got 2 more hours. So I gotta be at UPS customer service center around by 7 so I can pick it up. But just in case you guys try to do this is really the best way if you're trying to swap your PCM for real. There's no point in trying to keep your original PCM. So when you do this Diablo i3, you can get the i2, whatever it is, all the extra stuff, you feel me? But I got i3. So when you do this process, make sure you get this one right here. So it's gonna take 3 days for them to really ship it out your device first. Then the PCM won't arrive until I give them 3 days at the most. You feel me? But you already know how it's a chip shortage with all the cars, so it's not a setback, but it's gonna take a little time. But I said I give them a week. But if you have any concerns, you can always email them. They'll come straight back the next morning or the next day to give you information. You feel me? They got excellent customer service. But right now I'm finna head out from the crib to probably to the shop with Station. That's the probably cut time, you feel me? And probably install the bypass for my car, so whenever I do throw the PCM in there, it's already ready. So I just had to give y'all a quick update on everything, you feel me? See y'all later. You're bang. Remember you say you want to be on the YouTube, bro? Nah, I thought you said you want to be on the YouTube, bro.
I told you I want to be on the YouTube. Yes, you did. I swear you did.
And he got to line up.
Yeah.
He hot and ready. I don't be like filming that dark, but we finna put on this little bypass real quick before I go pick up my PCM. You feel me? It's gonna be in the dark, so I ain't gonna be able to film it right here, you feel me? But Bay right there. He think I can crank my car, I really can't. Battery unplugged and all, bro. It's still picking up light over there.
And I got to admit that you're making me want to say, oh, No, your name, but
I can't like
Get installed the bypass on there, you feel me, real quick. It only take at least about 2 minutes, you feel me? At most, you feel me? As long as you got somebody else on the other side to pull the cord. Couldn't do it, couldn't really show y'all because I ain't had no light, man. Like I said, my battery on hook. So, around by 7, what time it is? 5:23. So in about a couple more hours, I'll go get it. Crank that mug up, man. It ain't been crunking since, let me see, a week and about 2 days. I ain't been driving my car, but it's a good thing. You feel me? I look at everything as a positive. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on when it's time to go. You feel me? Yep. So I got my PC on, you feel me? Really the next day, I can't even lie to you. It's really the next day. I did not get it yesterday, you feel me? But right now, she feel me, finna put it in just to get it crunk up and everything, plug back everything up, you feel me? Cause still ain't no light. What you recording, bro? Oh. But I'm in the dark. Hopefully, I think y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all do, because I don't like recording in the dark, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything up before I don't remember mess up. Really nervous, you feel me? But I'm turning off the camera, can't really talk too much, but you already know who it is. But bitch slack, it's your boy Mel. Let me get out my mind. Yeah. Nah, we done hooked everything back up. PC on, battery hooked up. So now we gotta go by. Let me see. Gotta go by these instructions real quick before I let's crank it up, you feel me? So y'all there, hold on with me real quick while I do all this. I'm gonna turn the camera back on after I do it. Make sure everything up and running. We in the dark, but look, check this out, you feel me? Everything work, you feel me? Y'all can go watch let me see, other reviews, not reviews, but like how to install it and go the direction and everything else, you feel me? It's a lot of them out there, but you already know who it is, you feel me? Shit, baby, Mel, you hear me?
Big RT boy right here with us.
Look at
this
him.
boy Mopar try. You can't lie, won't last them nigga.
But look at him. Y'all already know who it is. That's how stay, man. The cut.
You know, behind the scenes on every little mod or whatever, bro.
Well, you got on cologne too, bro.
Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel, Mopar Trey.
Lick your lips. Ugh. But now I'm finna go update everything on my Diablo shit. You know I don't cuss on him, but I'm finna go update it real quick. Hope y'all can see me, cause I don't got the camera on me for real, if you know what I mean, if you ever seen me record. But then that's why I'm gonna apply the tune on here, probably most likely tonight, to see what it's gonna do. But that's gonna be on the next video. Y'all thought y'all gonna get all that in one video, but you ain't, you feel me? So stay tuned to the next one. It's your boy Mel, I'm out. Yep.